Welcome back to the channel. If you love tools, DIY projects, workshop equipment, and finding the best value for money products, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new review. Today we're taking a look at the PARKSIDE 20V Cordless Brushless Angle Grinder, a bare unit version designed for the PARKSIDE X20V Team battery platform. At first glance, this tool looks modern, compact, and surprisingly robust for its price category. The biggest highlight here is the brushless motor technology, which offers improved efficiency, longer runtime, reduced maintenance, and potentially a longer overall lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. Since this is part of the PARKSIDE X20V Team system, it can share batteries with a wide range of other PARKSIDE cordless tools. That's a huge advantage for anyone who has already invested in the ecosystem because it helps reduce costs and keeps your workshop setup simple. The grinder features a standard 125mm disc size, making it suitable for a variety of applications including metal cutting, grinding, deburring, rust removal, and general workshop tasks. However, if you're a professional tradesperson, using an angle grinder continuously for many hours every day, you may still prefer a higher-end industrial model designed specifically for extreme workloads. Let's look at the advantages. First, the brushless motor provides better efficiency and performance. Second, the cordless design gives you complete freedom of movement without extension cords getting in the way. Third, compatibility with the X20V Team battery system makes it extremely convenient for existing PARKSIDE users. And finally, the overall value for money appears to be one of the strongest selling points of this machine. Of course, there are a few downsides as well. The most obvious one is that this package does not include a battery or charger. If you're new to the PARKSIDE platform, you'll need to purchase those separately, increasing the total investment. Another consideration is runtime. As with any cordless grinder, heavy cutting applications will drain batteries relatively quickly, especially when using smaller battery packs. So, what's the final verdict? This brushless angle grinder looks like a very attractive option. It offers cordless convenience, modern brushless technology, and excellent versatility for workshop and DIY. What do you think about this new PARKSIDE angle grinder? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tool review.